we're going to swim up in that water. I don't care what any of you say. Zoom! Yeah! Really big closer. Oh my god, we can see everything. Oh, why did it get blurry? Okay. Okay, one time.
He up and goes at the door, mate. They go in a bin.
Yeah. Harrison's holding on to me and I don't like it.
Pushes me the highest, way up into the sky.
Do you like it when your grandma or grandpa come to visit? Or perhaps you like to visit them?
Or maybe your grandpa and grandma live in another part of Australia or overseas.
Or maybe they live right near you in a block of apartments, just like Banksy's grandparents. I guess this box makes a perfect block of apartments. Lots of different plants in that garden.
Can I have something to eat?
You just had something.
No.
Having chips. A couple of cakes.
No, thank you.
Well, this is it until we have dinner, mate.
So we need popcorn.
We're all here at the moment.
Popcorn. I'm recording a video as well. About the rain. So when we were talking, I just have it down. I just had it down. Harrison's hitting me. I'll hit you back. 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 Don't run! Don't run. Look at this man. Look at this guy. Look at him. He's an idiot. Look at this tripper. What the fuck? What are you doing? Harrison, what are you doing? Harrison. Harrison, what are you doing? What are you doing? Cheese. Cheese. Say cheese, Harrison. Say cheese. Harrison, say cheese. Say still, say still. Say still. Ah! Say still, say still, say still. Say cheese. Say cheese. Say cheese. Say cheese, Harrison.